Greetings, welcome to the XF. We're back with more Satisfactory. Today we'll be working more on the fused modular frame uh, construction project factory thingy. Yeah, that was absolutely the best way to describe that. Anyways, yeah, let's go over to our ad spot and we'll jump right in and I'll kind of tell you what's going on with me a little bit here. Anyways, Brick Print's your place for custom stickers and custom 3D printed parts. If you like what I do, definitely what he does. He does custom stickers for my mocks and all other critters' mocks. Make sure to check them out, www.brickprints.com. Take a look around, it's problems for me, and yeah. Enjoy that, and let's go on over to Satisfactory, shall we? Alright, so what's going on with me? Well, I is sick yet again. I've been like 4 or 5 previous days. I was just always like broiling, especially like at night. Just constant heat, not really any like fevers or anything, but just, oh man, it'd just be so hot. Well, this weekend I got absolutely bombarded with massive headaches, and then fast forward to yesterday, I went to town. I was like, you know, I feel pretty good. Going to town, pay some bills, you know, enjoy my day, come back home. Oh my gosh, it was just like so fast. I was just crashed out. Hey, welcome, Chris Terry. I don't know what the heck my body was feeling, but like, man, it crashed out so fast. Just kind of basically slumped down and died. Feeling alright this morning, but I guess we'll see what happens later. Anyways, we need to make those modular frame pieces. Yeah, modular frames. So what do we need for that? I know we need iron ingots no matter what, how I kind of cut it. Modular frame. Okay, so I can use steel pipes. 3 per minute. Or 2 per minute. Oh, I did, when I was feeling kind of alright, I did get some hard drives. I think it must have been like Friday or something. So we start scanning some of these hard drives, shall we? Okay, what do we got here? Electromagnetic control rod. 7.5 per minute. Huh. You know what, I'll take that. That sounds interesting. As an alternate recipe. I guess I just need their alternate recipe for the modular frames, but I think we'll just feed off of, well, actually, there is... Where's my iron ingots? Oh, we have none coming in right now. Usually this line right here. Maybe it would be better to do the steel ingot input. The train just left. I'm surprised there's no iron coming out, but maybe that's full of other junk at the moment. And there's a lot of quartz being filtered out currently. Ah yeah, there's a bunch of iron ingots right there. So maybe we'll go ahead and, well, I don't know where to bring it though. This is a problem. I have so many factory thingies going on right now. I guess up top is somewhere I can bring it. Yeah, that's not going to attach because that's inside the rock wall. I need a piece of foundation that is not inside the rock wall. Nice. Okay, I guess this will be a whole different level compared to the rest of the base. Alright. Fine. Have it your way. As long as we have kind of a similar... I should be using zoom mode. Why am I not using zoom mode? There we go. Most glorious Zumo. Wow, okay. It gets tall quick. Okay, I guess I need to raise this up even more. Question mark? Let's do. Oh, no. Sure. Okay, now let's put a block on top of that. Oh, hey, that's perfectly 10. Ah, sweet. Alright, so that... Putting that like that, that should allow me to have plenty of space to try and create a modular frame factory. Yeah, put that there. That's probably good enough. Okay. So, modular frames. How many do we need per minute? I think that's one thing I should have checked. Also, by the way, forewarning, depending on how I feel today, we might not have a super long stream. We'll see how things go and how things last. But it might not be a full-length stream. As a heads up. Okay, so I just kind of want to fill this in. There we go. Perfect. So we need 30 per minute of the modular frames. I guess this one would definitely be the more better one. 3 per minute. So I need 10 assemblers making stuff. That's a lot of assemblers. Where do we even fit 10 assemblers in this? Now that I think about it, it's just like, holy crap, where do I even put all that? That's a lot of factory. I think I have an idea though. I basically just need to create a second floor, and then the second floor can be the modular frame constructing area. They should be able to jam 10 assemblers onto that. Downstairs I can make the I definitely didn't attach that correctly. Yeah, downstairs is where I can make the parts for the modular frame. So the steel pipes and the reinforced iron plates. Yeah, we'll just keep going. Okay, that should be plenty of space now. So for the 10 assemblers, just need to line them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and, well, 5. That should be all nicely lined up. Yep. Okay. And then we come back a little bit. And we just lay out another 10 more of these beauties to craft the unimaginable amounts. I'm gonna have to whip out my calculator for this, because we need steel. Yeah, steeled frame. Oh, I need 100 pipe. I need 100 pipe per minute. Yeah, 10. It's 10 times. No, it would be. Wait. What is? Wait, no, it's a lot more than that, isn't it? Oh. Yeah, no, it's 100. Okay. Yeah, just making sure my math is all good. Okay, so we need 100 pipe. That'll That'll be wonderful. At least, let's see, you have steel beams making screws. Good, that's good. I need iron ingots, or steel ingots. Is that quartz still filtering? You know what? That is taking forever to get filtered through. I needed things to move along a lot faster than that. Oh my goodness, I'm stuck. Ah! Be free. Okay, so that's filtering in. Yes, cool. There we go. Okay, where is my... Okay, there's my iron ingots. Okay, now is it filtering through? I think it is. Thank goodness. Guess I'll upgrade it all to Mark V. Need stuff filtering through a lot faster than... Oop, a lot faster than it's filtering through right now. Lift. One last Mark V conveyor belt. What is this doing? That's also ingots. Oh, also going to that. Okay, so we also gotta like improve this bad boy right here. Alright, that should be a blinding amount of iron ingots now flowing through the system. That should hopefully flood out any of the quartz that's piling up as well. There we go. Oh, that was all the iron. At least it gets distributed out quickly. And that should be more or less good enough. These are full. I just need to tap off of this steel ingots right there. Not a programmable splitter. No. I just need a conveyor splitter. Actually, this is a conveyor splitter right here, isn't it? Yep. So perfect. We have exactly what I need. Mark III. I don't think I need anything too crazy. I just need a conveyor splitter that goes way up here. I need iron ingots. Steel ingots. Mark III. Alright, come over here. And now the fun begins. Okay, production. So I need 100 steel pipes. What does that even look like? How many steel pipes per minute can I craft? Iron pipes, steel pipes. 20 per minute. Okay, 2, 4. Okay, hold on. Nope, these aren't placed correctly. Should I have actually placed these more correctly? Yeah, right about here. 2, 4. Where's the halfway point? Here. 2, 4, 6, 8, and I guess right here would technically be 10. Alright, that's probably fine. We can deal with that. Make it look like it's actually supported real quick. Alright, so let's delete you and delete you real fast. And then we want logistics, we want splitters. Okay, Mark III from here. Okay, there we go. I guess I just gotta run down the line now and just start slapping down some splitters. I believe they need to go right about there each time. That one and that one. That's the last one. Okay. 3 into there. Back through here. This is definitely not the most efficient manner of doing this. Because it means that they won't all get the ingots equally. It's fine. I can just steel pipe. I have ingots on me, so here, take that. Thank you. I may want to increase the iron ingot output out there, because I know it's not fully utilized. So that would probably be something that I should be doing. Anyways, we want mergers now on this side, so that we can do kind of the opposite of what we have going on over here. That's basically to bring all these together. Yeah, bring that to about there, so that we can bring it up and over. So without further ado, too, I need run power up here. So let's go ahead and do that. Power line, you are barely using anything, that's perfect. They don't have their crafting recipes. It's fine, we want steel pipe. Steel pipe. Steel pipe. And last but not steel pipe. There we go. Okay. So that's my 100 steel pipe. Then I just need... What's the next part? That'd be reinforced. Yeah, these guys, open codex. Iron plates. So I do need iron. I can siphon off of that. How many of those, how many reinforced iron plates does this need? Two per minute. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20. So I only need about 20 of those per minute, which isn't like a crazy amount. 5, 15. Already like more than what I need. I probably just want to do this one, honestly. Assembler. Okay, so I need 4 assemblers for this madness. Oop, that's a constructor. Assembler, please. Now I need to move that back even more. One, 2. See, dang, I don't even have space here. I guess we move that up to the top deck as well. We just assemble the other stuff that I need. Oh boy. Ha! Running out of space. Guess this wasn't probably the most optimal area to build this in. Okay. So 5, 10, 15, and should be all aligned. Good. So these will just be making normal iron plates. So we need 30, 30. That's 120 iron plates per minute. On the foundry, 45 per minute. Let's just do the regular one, 20 per minute. Yeah. Guess we kind of just do what we did already. Whoop. Let's see. Iron plate. 20. What did I say I needed? Oh, being sick is definitely not helping my brain power at all. Concentration 30, 120. Yeah, 120 per minute. Two, four. I don't need that. We got there. 2, 4. 4, 6, 8. 10. That's not aligned. And 20. Okay, there we go. Okay, do I have space to put a foundation out here? I do not. But I do have space to put a foundation in other spots, which I think will be just enough to help us. Dang. So I need to siphon off of the iron ingot line now, which is over here. Air splitter. Yeah, I need to feed more into here. Okay, I think I need to put a foundation just temporarily so that I can put a splitter like right here and face it the correct direction. There we go. And then without further ado, just basically continue that down the line. Give it over just a little bit. Okay. Mark 3, you go there. You over there. You go there. There, you go there, and there. There, and you go there. Okay. Perfect. That works out for me. Alright, I need the iron ingots now. Come over here. Okay, so iron plate. Oh, that one's already set the iron plate. Let's run through and set these all to iron plate. That's not what I want. Iron plate. And iron plate. There we go. Okay. Logistics, merger. I'm gonna stack the merger on top, I think. That'll do, I think, well. Kind of manage. Frick, don't do that. Go here. man. Yeah, it definitely won't be lasting too much more longer. I can feel my body getting heavier. Slowing down, just being like, oh, it's time to fall off the face of the earth again. I won't push myself too much. I enjoy streaming a lot. I've already taken my morning meds. I just need probably more rest. Rest. Okay, let's put this power pole there. One more? Yeah, then I definitely need another one. Down here. There you go. So that is my all the sheets that I need. How many screws do I need? So I think with this steel ingots or something, I can make 60 here. 120, 240. I think I have a crafting recipe for that. 260. Yep. I have a crafting recipe for that. A very simple one that just gives me way more than I need. I just need a steel beam, which is simple enough. Right there. Logistics. Not a smart splitter. We need a splitter. Grab off of there. Grab off of there and bring this over here. Perfect. Okay, I'm just gonna use probably this power node. Okay, you do this one. Actually, yeah. Nope. That's perfect. Okay. Logistics Mark III. Let's bring this belt on over, shall we? There we go. Now it's just a matter of splitting out this equipment. Probably blow up these things so they're not in my way. I can't get Western Obelisk. Thank you. I think I died when I was doing stuff and I kind of forgot that I died. Yeah, it must have been Friday when I was running around. Ouchies. Running around doing stuff. Okay. Conveyor splitters. So we want probably something like this on either side. And right down the middle. Put that one there and go ahead and just stack the next one. Okay, so the bottom one is easier. Mark 3 there, Mark 3 there. Straight in and straight over. This next one's a little more challenging, but I've kind of used this design already multiple times. Basically, get everything nice and organized. And this gives me a nice even spread. I don't know if you can hear or not, but like my breath is getting weighty. I know I'm going downhill. Slowly but surely. Don't worry, I will probably be stopping soon. Need to play a little bit more longer. I love Satisfactory. I love playing games. Oh man, it's funny. I guess it's just. I guess I'm getting loopy. I'm kind of getting loopy, aren't I? Just kind of slowly falling to pieces. Body is slowly but surely falling apart. Oop, I didn't want to do that. Okay, so it doesn't really matter which one's which. We just gotta filter feed one into the other, but it looks like this actually almost perfectly works. Okay, so that's all feeding into that. Now we just need to distribute power. Try and feed everything and everything else. Oh boy. Power line, please. Come up here. Like I don't have recipes set up for a lot of these. Okay. Get that set up pretty easily. Okay. This must not have all the recipes. Just, I think it's... No, it's not this one. This one. Yep, okay. All the recipes set out. That one's already got it. You all get it. Modular frames. More modular frames and power line. Let's bring this on back again. Second time. And these should start manufacturing. Yep, there they go. There they go. Just took them a hot minute. I definitely need to improve the iron output back there. Definitely needs more iron coming through. Okay, so these are producing reinforced plates. I guess first thing would probably be to just do a simple whatever these things are called. See? Wow, I am falling apart. These things where they gather all the stuff into stuff because brain no worky no more. I mostly laugh at my own suffering and demise. Just at how quickly I am just... My mind is not holding critical thoughts together very much anymore, which is probably not a good thing when I'm playing a factory management game where critical thoughts are kind of important. Okay. Bring all of that together. I hear stuff happening down below. So, like, we're getting some kind of good infrastructure crafting. My system just needs more iron ingots. That's a definite. Okay. So. This would be interesting. I am trying to use whatever brain cells I have functioning left at the moment, which is not saying a whole lot when I think more than one of them are just banging coconuts against their head. There is not a whole lot of anyone home. Drinking a little coffee. I still enjoy coffee when I'm not well. Oh boy. So, I need to evenly filter and distribute materials between all of these. Not really like a good way to go about it, is there? Ah, manifold. See, the brain cells got there eventually. It just takes them a hot minute. Oh wait, this is facing the wrong way. Even facing that way. Yeah, just gotta give the poor brain cells a moment to just find themselves. Which is not happening too well. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we're missing one more on this line. Fair splitter. There we go. Okay, so that's all of that. Yeah, I'm just gonna do manifold. It's not the most efficient way. Well, hey, it probably works, right? Yeah, just don't ask my brain to do too much math. Might actually really break right now. Okay. This is only going to be a little bit problematic. No, I'm doing this all wrong. Oh boy. Okay, so we need mergers first. Should probably face the mergers out this direction. We need to bring the materials from this side out first. 3 here, go out there. Okay, so that's coming out this way. We can kind of probably put a foundation along the edge wall. Come on. There we go, work with me. Okay, there we go. And then we need logistics, we need splitters. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of run these splitters like they are. Okay, that one needs to go down there. The nice thing about this end one here, I really need the bottom one. Yeah, I'm just gonna cram the 2 upper ones together. Yeah, that's okay. So that's how that cookie's going to crumble. All right, that's fine. 3. I think I just put it outwards like that, and then why you no work? I don't think it likes being this direction either. No. Yep, it's gonna be like that. Alright, cool. Just for this one. I don't think the other one has that weird issue. This is gonna be like a weird, like, looping one. Like that. Yep. This end got to go like that. This one got to go there. Forward to there. This one around to there. Forward there. This one loops around there. Yep. Alright, so that one's distributed. Kind of like it though. It's like a little spiral. Swirl. Tornadoes. Come on, brain. We've only lasted 48 minutes. We can last maybe slightly longer than that amount of time. I don't think I'm lasting very long at all today, guys. This might be an extremely short stream, as my brain and body just decides to kind of cease to exist. Conveyor splitter. Let's go ahead and put that guy out there. Mark 3 needs to lift up. There we go. Guy comes out here. This guy goes down there. Not the one I want. This is the one I want. Okay, so that's all distributing out now. Should be. Yep, I definitely need to, like, maximize the iron ingot outputs. Okay. And then now I just need the metal pipes. Logistics, Mark 3, bring this out here. Okay, yeah, no, this is fine. Then you can just kind of loop this around. Air splitter. It's not very looped around very well, is it? Air splitter. Oop, that's broken. That's not, though. Oh boy. This is already becoming a mess. About Mark 3, there to there. There we go. All we gotta do is just input our steel pipes into here. Those will get split out. That'll now work. So now it's time to attach that to our system to make a lot of the heavy modular frames. Oh boy. Okay, conveyor splitter. Okay, that goes there. I don't even think this will reach all the way. No. Doesn't even come close. I need some kind of foundational bit sticking out the side of this mountain. The conveyor to kind of rest on here. Alright, there we go. We want that one, so that means we can get rid of that top one. And then, well, there's splitter. Seems to be stacked probably like half a dozen times. Oh boy. There we go. These have power, right? Yeah. So these should start producing. But I think something we should quickly work on is just boosting the iron ingot output up there. It shouldn't be too hard. I don't even think we're using all the iron deposits that are up there. Alright, take me to the iron place. I should probably pick up some of this stuff. I have ran over so many animals. Alright, let's go. So the iron is right up here. Oh yeah, no, I think we need... Where is my iron ingots coming out at? There's this one that's like not even being used right here. Oh, because it's like not even connected. Yo. Yo. Why is this one just not even being connected? Yeah, that'll filter feed a lot more iron ingots into here. Oh, this is also getting clogged up. Well. There we go. That should kind of boost the output of all the iron. So we should be getting a large amount more in here. There we go. Is this like stuffed up though? Oh yeah, it is a little bit. Okay. Well, that should help. Tier 5 all the way, boys. That is going to be a lot more iron ingots flooding into the system. Which is good. That's what my system needed, was some more iron ingots. It needs to consume a lot. Probably wouldn't have been a bad idea to actually... I'll go take a peek at those furnaces. See if they need a turbo. I don't think they need a summer sleep, but a turbo would probably not be a bad idea. Wait, why am I running when I can just literally take the vehicle I brought over? It is sitting there waiting for me. McSqueeze me. McSqueeze me. Oi. Oi, McSqueeze me. Thank you. I am trying to live. I want to enjoy video game. I don't like feeling poopy because I'm not well. I might have to call it quits here pretty soon. If I can get the fused modular frame done, which I think we're almost there, that would be excellent. Because I don't think there's much more I need to do, is there? So we got the big one done. We got the what's this one? The tier 2 of the modular frame? Heavy modular frame, yeah. So like these are producing, that needs like a heck ton more iron and steel, which should be coming via the next train. Is the next where is the train at? Train is down below. No. Where is our train friend at? See him? He's not here. He down there? No. Oh, there he is. Okay, so yeah, he should be bringing a massive load of iron. We're still draining out this one too. So like the system, it'll feel healthier here in just a bit. Once things kind of build up and catch up. You know what? Let's just spaz out more Mark V through here. Just so our systems can get even more. Yeah. Oh, here comes a Nyx train with a delicious load of iron. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a big one. Okay, you unloaded? I don't, what? I have so many questions. Has this finished? Oh yeah, it has. Oh hey, the bolted frame. That's it? Just more screws? 140 per minute? 5 per minute? Really? I mean, that's kind of something I need, so I'll just grab it for the future then. Alright, there we go. Absolute spaz out of steel and iron ingots. There should be plenty more. Yeah, it's blindingly fast coming into here. That's perfect. Okay. Okay, so now our systems will catch up with each other, and we should be getting a higher production yield of those modular frames. Going out to these now. It'll just kind of take a bit for them. Okay. Show. Fuse modular frames. Oh, we need aluminum casing. Okay, that's simple enough just to bring up from down below. Okay, and we just need the nitrogen too. I guess the nitrogen we can just deal with first, because that's like super easy. Ah, dang. Couldn't quite reach the end. It's fine. Bring that kind of down and around. And then I guess, yeah, I just need to attach some resource well extractors. How much nitrogen do I need per minute? This is the question. 37.5 times 4. What is that technically? 37.5 times 4 equals 150. Okay, that's like barely anything. $120. Okay, so like 2 of these is like easily everything I need. go. Pipeline junction, put that there. Mark 2 down below. And I'll just throw in another pipeline junction there. And another one right down to there. Sweet. So that is bringing nitrogen up to these. That one, and one last one. There we go. Guess I should run power to this as well. Where is my power distribution at? It's on the other side here. There it is. 4 out of 4. Okay, where is it at? It's on each end there. Like, not too terrible. Okay, it's not too terrible if I don't, like, put the power pole, like, right in the middle of where conveyors need to go. That kind of helps things. Okay, so we need to create a manifold for this system. You know, I don't think that'll be too hard. And I would like at least some kind of even distribution manifold. Three. Okay, so you up. And you up. Up. And you up. Yeah, we'll create multiple floors, levels, some along those lines. Okay, so have that conveyor splitter there. That conveyor splitter kind of there-ish. Okay, that's distributing to all those evenly. Which means, honestly, I'm just gonna put one down here. Power 3 into there. Come on down into there. I'm just gonna bring this conveyor belt kind of down and around over here. Conveyor belt mark 3. Bring this down over. Merger. Yeah, that's fine enough. Where's the output? Okay, here's the output. You come around here. Oh, that is too long. There we go. Here, take these back. Here, and you can have all that. Here, you know what? Just take like all the materials. No, you're full of materials. Take a bunch more of those off me. Okay, so the heavy modular frames are getting distributed out. Perfect. So now all we gotta do is run a silly long conveyor line. So how much do these need for those aluminum things? 75 per minute? Oh boy, 75 times 4. 300. I think Mark 3 does 300. 270. No, we need to do Mark 4. Okay. You know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and attach a new manifold on top here. That'll be for the aluminum. We'll just kind of run backwards. Methinks will be hopefully maybe a great idea. Yeah, no. Mark III's fine enough for most of this. It's just I gotta do Mark IV coming up here. Three to you, to you. You. You know what? Let's just do Mark V. Let's just run it up hardcore. Alright, so Mark V. All the way across the sky. So we got a long ways to bring that aluminum stuff down here. Like a extremely long ways. Because our closest aluminum casing resource, which we do have here, is being flown in by drone down below. Boy. The long, winding conveyor belt as it tries to kind of try and navigate it some reasonable direction. Oh, hey, man, research. We can grab that real quick. It's over here. Hello, train. Nice to see you back. You've been delivering us very many good materials. All right, what do we got? Oh, here we go. A new coated iron canister. I can accept that. Yeah, let's use this one. I need some alternate recipes for those canister thingies. Let's go. Down under. Whoa! Down right there, and then down. I guess I kind of need it up high because I have vehicles that come through here. Being kind of like there-ish would be a good idea. Keep it decently high up off the ground. Okay, where is it at? It's right below us here. It's right there. Actually, we have a... Wow, would you look at that? We almost have an exact spot we want to grab from. Yep, there it is. Let's go. Mark V. Bring this up. Here. Oh, it doesn't quite reach, dang. Ah! Oh, wait, there it goes. It does reach. Sweet. Alright, there is our aluminum casings. I'm gonna upgrade this aluminum casing belt to Mark V. And there's one last little belt that needs to be upgraded right here. Because this is... Oh yeah, no, that's like completely full of aluminum casings. Alright, there we go. We are now producing... Oh yeah, there we go. There's a heap ton of aluminum casings going up. Take me with you. Woo! That was a boost in speed. Wow. Nyom. I need to recharge here. Get on up. Yeah, there it goes. There goes my distribution system. So these should start producing. Yep, there it goes. 1.5 per minute, boy. Okay, so I need... down there is where I'll put my dimensional depot. Sweet, so we can finish that. Okay. Make sure I get it nicely attached to each one of these. 3. Alright, and then, like I said, we're just gonna dimensional depot this. Boom. There we go. We are getting fused frames. Sweet. Yeah, no, this will be great. Okay, so I think that's the last material we need, so we can head back to main base. So yeah, we're producing cooling systems. We got that. Producing these. We got everything else. We're also doing electromagnetic control rods. So like, yeah, a lot of that we can just let manually craft for phase 4. Okay, I guess without further ado, let's go back to main base so we can research whatever's next. Oh, I am so happy we got that done today. Few improvements. Mushroom base is kind of one of my better bases, honestly. Less of a mess, everything's very efficient. Plenty of materials around. Getting aluminum flied in. It's a great time. Something I probably should do. I always mention just every stream that I need to build like roads, do road things. Oh, poor guy got eliminated. I also should feed in a lot of these, since we're heading back, the animal parts, I should feed them into my DNA systems. Whee! Alright, so what is next on the research thing? I wonder. I wonder if we're reaching the end to where we need to do space part crafting. As well as things are crafting with the space parts, we can go on fun adventures around the map, looking for other stuff. Okay, DNA systems first, then we look at research. All right. Oh boy, I have a lot. Is this? Oh, something. A lot of junk in my inventory too. All right, what's next? Leading edge fuel production. Okay, turbo motors. Thermal propulsion rockets, a space part. Yep. Okay, so we need 100 supercomputers. Part. Okay, I think I have all that. Select milestone. Okay. So we need a bunch Okay, we have only 21 supercomputers. I should be at my yeah, no, it'd be at Mushroom Base where we're making those. I wonder why we don't have enough. I'm gonna have to go check in on the instruction for that. We don't even have enough fused modular frames yet. I thought we were crafting supercomputers. Unless that's a crafting thing I forgot about. I don't think so, though. I just think something is either clogged or being slow or some issue somewhere is happening. How many of these health things do I have? 4. Okay, it's a good thing I was thinking I need to check my tickets. I have a... Wow, that's a lot of tickets. Okay. We have been busy. There's really nothing else to buy besides, well, trophies, but not really interested in the trophies. Parts. We could probably buy supercomputers. Yep, right here. 50. Add that to cart. Add that to cart. Equipment. Add like 2 of those to the cart. Another one of those to the cart. 18. Yep. There, that should be everything we need. Oh wait, no, we need one more supercomputer. Order. 50 doesn't quite cut it. That's fine. Add more to that. We'll definitely go back to Mushroom Base and see if we can't fix that. I guess we need to check out what the turbo motors do. Did I buy... I thought I bought 2... Oh wait, did I not claim it? I don't think I claimed it. Oh boy. Nope, I didn't even buy it. Okay. Cool.
Parts purchase confirmed. Promotion delayed by X times part value plus fix-it stock value.
Stock value? What the heck is the fix-it stock value at? Boom. Alright.
The Miner Mark III provides top-of-the-line resource extraction potential,
Ooh,
making it
Miner
even
Mark
easier
III.
to contribute to project assembly.
Ah,
Project
sweet.
part number 8, the thermal propulsion rocket, is the most complex project part of this phase as it requires turbo motors, and thus requires your best. Fix-It didn't think pioneers such as you could get this far. I am glad we have both proven them wrong.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Jeez. Radio control units. Oh, that's what I'm making. I thought I was making supercomputers, but I guess I'm not making supercomputers? Could have swore I was somewhere. Hold on, let's travel around a little bit. I thought I was making supercomputers. What is clogged at the Mushroom Base? Turbo motors. Might, especially if we need to make a bunch of them. It might be safer to say to just build a whole new factory area for that. Your bauxite, oil, rubber, quite a few things we need, but holy crap. Do those need just like a ton of manufacturing processes? Might be worth it to head to the other desert. See if we can't find all the stuff we need there. There is bauxite in the swamp. We need like bauxite next to nitrogen, which is an area here that can definitely serve that. Oil. We may be heading back to that equipment factory. I know there's some oil spots around here. I may need to do some exploring because we may need some other zone or area to which we build a turbomotor facility. Oh, careful now. So I don't think I'm producing near the materials here to be able to produce turbo motors. Turbo motors require a lot of stuff. The only place on the map we don't have highlighted is the other desert. Alright, so what is clogged and what is missing what here exactly? We have a bunch of computers filtering in. This is supercomputers. High-speed connectors, really, we're still lacking in high-speed connector department. Thought we had this solved. What are you lacking? Cable. Cable is clogged. Or we're not getting enough cable. Okay, it's filtering in. A lot of quick wire. Has cable just not made it through yet? Kinda. Okay, maybe we should upgrade this all to Mark V. It looks like some of this has been upgraded to Mark V. Some of this has not. Okay, there we go. But probably a lot of other systems that are also cable starved. I mean, there's a copper facility up here in Pure. Would probably be worth it just to make a cable factory. And then go ahead and just like inline it maybe? Or we were having too much cable, but now it feels like we're not getting enough. Like, the balance has not been struck. So I need like a filtering facility. Yeah, because this might be too much cable. Let's remove this. Still trying to filter off something? Oh, it is. Ha! There's just a tiniest bit of non. Okay, let's open that back up. Okay, it might even make sense to upgrade like more of this to Mark V, I guess. Our systems are kind of suffocating. There we go. Maybe now it can be happy. There we go. Okay, and it's consumed all the cable. What are you breaking up? Something obviously we don't need too much of. Yeah, it's already chewed through all that cable. Trainer, are you coming back down with more cable? Oh, you've literally just arrived with more cable. Well, thank you. It's always fine-tuning one thing or another. Trying to get things to work well. Okay, so yeah, we've taken off the grinder. Wonder if it would be worth it at the end there of the cable line to then grind it off. So at least it's filled into everything else before it gets grinded off. That's probably the more efficient way to go about it. Is this a merger? It is a merger. Well, that is kind of perfect because that's exactly what I need. Let's go ahead and nerf this belt. Or not? Okay. I guess we just put a Mark III going on down. And connect you to you. There. So that'll grind off any excess cable we have, but not after it has filtered through everything else. Quick wires filtering through. Yeah, maybe I need to just up the cable output. And there goes the cable. Sweet, okay. There it goes there. Up and filtering in through all the systems. Yeah, now I just might need more cable. I think I should just manually shove it through the system. That'd probably be the best thing to do. Just so I get some more continuous supply. Alright, let's go into this. Your blueprint designer, thank you. Take all of that. Go ahead and get rid of this. We're just going to go ahead and just make a small cable production facility. Right there. Right there. Alright, sweet. Okay, production. Mark II. Let's face it. Hello. You like not? I would appreciate it if you didn't. Okay, so production. Hello. Okay, you're gonna cause problems, I see. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you. I hear a ton of cats. Oh. Hi there, everyone. Oh boy. Hello, kitties. What about you, my good sir? Alright. Oh my goodness, I don't know. Go away. Go away, you spiders dressed as cats. Alright, now without further ado... Oh wait, no, I need a whole lot more processes to this before I do anything. Okay. Production. Okay, so we need constructor at the end. I also want to get rid of these annoying little spikes. Just throw some of this down. Ah, that can't get rid of the spikes. Ah, sweet. My annoyance is high. You need to construct cable. Means I think you need 2 constructors for wire. Logistics, merger. Because you need to make wire, which is only 30. Yep. The 2-to-1 ratio. Sweet. Production. Schmelter. Copper ingots. That makes 30 copper ingots. Oh, and this just splits out. Okay. This is like the most evenest production line I've ever done. Except I know that that Mark II miner is going to be spitting out much more. Oh, that needs a lot more power. Spitting out much more ore than the furnace can handle. And off to the races we go. Now for the fun thing. We need to take a conveyor belt and run it all the way back to our cable distribution area. Oop, that does not make it. Sure. I think that's well supported. Comes through here. And right over here. Okay. So now we just need to bring this down on... Oh boy. Okay, so that falling through all the layers. We bring this down. Where do I need to bring that? Basically back to there. Honestly. Put a merger here. Have that kind of work its way down and around through there. Yeah. There we go. That should maybe help feed the system a little. How much cable does this consume? 37.5 per minute. Oh. So, it's only helping like a little bit. That is... Okay, so we should probably double it just a little bit. This 30 cable per minute clearly won't cut it. To help, the high-speed connector thingies produce. I guess without further ado, let's raise things up a level, can we? Foundations. Okay. So yeah, I think 2 levels of this nonsense should be fine. Well, hopefully fine. Logistics, splitter. Mark 3, whatever. It doesn't matter. Oop, that is not where I want you to connect. Stop. All right. And well, we just do the same thing we did below, but it's for second time. Okay. Dang it, I did the same thing twice. There. And there. And then just one up here. There we go, finally. Jeez, okay, merger. That almost sounded like I said murder. You all there. Should actually replace this. It's actually aligned. There we go. Logistics, we need a splitter. And that's also a problem. I cannot place things properly. Okay, so that's all going through there. And it filters into there. And then, well, without further ado, just need to join these two together. Alright, and power. And hopefully with that, we should be getting enough cable to keep everything happy. Copper ingot, wire, wire, and cable. Okay, so now it should be getting 60 cable going through there, which is not all it needs, but should definitely help keep things a little bit more healthier. That's at least my hope, that it keeps things a little bit more healthier and a little bit more producing without getting clogged up or having much of more of any issues. It still needs just a ton of cable. How many are there of these? Oh man, there's so many. There's so many. Guess I need to rework that cable facility, but oh man, all right. I think we're gonna end because I'm feeling more and more not so great as we continue on, because yeah, I have been sick as of late and not feeling the greatest. We ran about 2 hours, which is decent. Not the full 3 hours that I wanted, but you know, it's just how things are sometimes. So anyways, I guess next time we'll rework the cable facility, and then we'll go maybe explore the desert or something. Look for a good area to put a turbo motor facility. And yeah, I think that should be the plan for next time. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and stay healthy, and I will see you all again soon. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your evening, depending where you are in the world. Yeah. Take care and bye-bye. Bye-bye.